You can expect a lot from the 2015 Toyota Corolla. This four-door, five-passenger sedan just recently passed the 50,000-mile mark. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and air conditioning. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, brake assist, and ABS brakes. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Toyota's comprehensive certification process. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.